How to fix Facebook problems on Android. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix all problems on Android. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you just open settings, and when you open settings, just go to apps, and on apps guys, just will square down and you will search for Facebook. When you found it, just open it like this and go to storage, and on storage go to clear data and then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.